Hey, if you've played Tales of Xillia 1, you definitely want to check out Tales of Xillia 2 for the PS3. This is the front cover. I would recommend, if you haven't played the first one, to definitely check out this. If you haven't played the first one, the second one might be a little confusing, so I highly recommend checking out the first one first. But they do kind of give you like a little bit of a recap, and they do go over some of the story from the first one, but the characters from the first game are back in this one, and then there's two new characters, which is him and her. I won't go too much into detail, I don't want to spoil anything, but it's a very interesting story. A little darker than the first game, like a little more serious, a little more drama and intrigue than part one. The gameplay is very similar. So if you like Tales of Xillia, you will certainly like Tales of Xillia 2. So like I said, it's like a sequel. It's a few years in the future from the first one. Gameplay is very similar. Graphics, it seems like it's like part two. You know, it's not like a completely different game. Very similar game. Music is great. The story is great. His story with her, I really like it. I like how they involve the other characters from the first series. So yeah, so it's just really nice, and it's like I said, it's just like a direct sequel. So whatever you liked with part one, you'll definitely want to check out part two. Oh, and let me show you how it looks like inside. So it doesn't have a manual, but this is the CD. So you can see that there. So yeah, and that's what it is. It's a great game and highly recommended if you like JRPGs.